Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see the detailed review of this Teakwood Leathers, which is of 360-degree rotation, hard-sided, medium-sized trolley bag. Okay, this is the real user review. Okay, if you can see the same trolley from the Teakwood Leathers, this very trolley bag or the trolley suitcase, we did the unboxing and upload in the channel 4 months 5 months back, and now we'll see the overall user impressions on this Teakwood's trolley suitcase after using this for 6 months. So this is the telescopic handle, which is functioning very smooth, and this handle also, you can see the flexible handle. When you want to carry without that telescopic handle, you can use that top handle. Along with the top handle, there is side handle also. See, this is the side handle, and there is Teakwood branding in the zipper handles, you can say. You can see the zipper quality, which is pretty quality, and this comes with 8 wheels, not 4 wheels. Okay, the user has purchased this around like 1500 to 1600, as this is the medium size trolley bag. And when you open, this is the inside view. At there's at the top side there is a zipper. See here, this is one cabinet, and this is the main cabinet. The user has kept somewhere like 12 pairs of clothes inside, and this is the binding strip, you can say. Still there is elasticity. We can keep some more clothes or gadgets or something like that. And this is the zipper, and the zipper qualities are pretty good. That has to be expressed. The user has expressed that the zipper quality and the overall quality of this Teakwood leather trolley bag is pretty good. And see here, yeah, this is the inside view. That is the telescopic trolley handle inside. Okay, let me just close this once, and I want to show you the close look of the trolley so that I can find any scratches or something like that, as the user has traveled 3 times in the trains. Not he went for any flight travel, but he has done train travel with this trolley bag, and I couldn't find any noticeable scratches. Okay, let me have the close look, whether you can see or not. Okay, there are no scratches seen here. The trolley is looking premium. First of all, if I want to say about the looks of this trolley, at this budget range, this looks pretty premium. And see here, the support. If you want to keep this trolley just on the floor, you can keep that in that side. You have support also, and you have this 3-digit lock system. Okay, 3G lock system is there. This is the side handle. Along with the upper handle, there is one side handle also. Yeah, this is the Teakwood branding at one side of the trolley here. Okay, let us have a close look on the locks, 3-digit lock system here. Let me just clear this. Yeah, okay, my camera is not focusing right now. Yeah, now it's clear. Yeah, if you can see here, this is the 3-digit lock system, and there is a push button here. You need to set that. By initially it will be 000. You need to just set the lock, and if you push that, you can be able to use that zipper. And this is the inside view of the trolley bag, and the user has felt while carrying this on the wheels, the user has felt very comfortable, and no physical damages reported till now, means until 6 months. And even on the scratches also, that's the reason I'm having the close look and the deeper look on the trolley bag. And the zipper qualities is also pretty good. Yeah, and coming to the wheels, okay, decently fine, they are not that damaged. Okay, if you do have any other question, you can ask in the comments. And one more thing, at the end of the video, I'll show you the online details about this product also. The user has purchased this from the Myntra website, and it is available on Flipkart and Amazon too. And please do comment which trolley bag are you using. You can mention like the brand or something like that, and the size also. This is the medium size trolley bag, which is of 57 liters, not 55 centimeters. 55 centimeters is different. Okay, this is the telescopic handle, which is of decent quality and working perfectly Fine. Yeah, if you do have any other question, you can ask in the comments so that I can answer you. The user is satisfied with this trolley bag, that's what he expressed. And I will show you the online details also. Now let us go to the online details section. Now the price may vary, it may have reduced a bit or it may have remained same. There is a sale running on currently. Yeah, you can check for the more details. Maybe I can attach this in the view products. Yeah, please do comment your opinion on this trolley bag. Yeah, see here, this is the video of unboxing of the Teakwood Leathers trolley bag, which is of 57 liters. You can say small size cabin. Okay, this is the video which is uploaded 4 months ago, but the user has purchased this and been using this for the past 6 months. Okay, this is the same trolley what you have seen up to now. Okay, at the during the time of purchase, the user has got this for around something like 1500 to 1600 rupees, something like that. This price varies. Okay, but now when I check the same link, the price is showing something like this one. I don't know why. You need to check it in the Mintra mobile app instead. On this is on the desktop, right? This is on the laptop, and some are similar. See here, which is of 96 liter, maybe medium size. This would be small one, and this would be the medium size, as the prices are reduced and the sale is currently going on. Yeah, okay. uh, the exact color may not be available, you need to check. Anyway, if possible, I'll try to attach this product in the view products. You can check for the more details, and if you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments.